okay? And then the sound of a window, then he struck you a crescendo and he gave it to a woman. Left the bloodstains on the carpet, and then you ran into the bedroom. You were struck down, it was your doom. Yeah, you okay? You okay? You okay, Annie? Yeah, you okay? You okay? You okay, Annie? Yeah, you okay? You okay? You okay, Annie? You've been hit by, you've been struck by a smooth criminal. Something happy interpretation. Yeah, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? You okay? You okay, Annie? Annie, you okay? You okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? Won't you tell us that you're okay? And then the sound of the window, then he struck you a crescendo, Annie. Gave it to a woman, left the bloodstains on the carpet. And then you ran into the bedroom. You were shut down, it was your doom. Yeah, you okay? You okay? You okay, Annie? You've been hit by, you've been struck by a smooth criminal.